Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how you can get money off Zelle without a bank account. Watch until the end to learn more. If you need to receive money through Zelle but don't have a bank account, there are a couple of options you can explore. The quickest way is to ask a family member or friend for help. Here's how to do it. Find someone you trust who has a Zelle account and ask for their assistance. If they agree, provide their email address or phone number to the sender. Once the money is sent to them, your friend or family member can withdraw it from an ATM or write you a check. Another option is to use a prepaid debit card. Prepaid debit cards from providers like PayPal, Green Dot, and NetSpend might work with Zelle. When choosing a prepaid debit card, make sure it uses your email address or phone number, as this is how other Zelle users will locate your account. Once set up, share your email address or phone number with the sender. After receiving the money, you can withdraw it from an ATM using your prepaid debit card. However, it's important to note that this method isn't guaranteed to work. So there you have it. That's how you can get money off Zelle without a bank account. Thanks for watching. Till next time.